Nice.
Yeah, it's not even completely dark yet.
I know, bro. Bro, it's really fucking popping.
I mean, it's like every 10 seconds.
Ooh,
Faster.
it's getting close. You can feel it. You feel the cold air, right?
Yeah, there's like 2 different breezes that was showing.
Now you feel it's in our face though. Like stand looking at it, so that shit's coming this way. Damn, bro, that joint got me fucking stoned, right? Did you get stoned from that joint?
No, I'm just staring at the sky.
Fuck yeah. Let me see what this looks like. Ooh. Oh, wow. Shit just ripping through the woods.
It's over there in the Queens.
Man, this is badass. What, like, a perfect timing, you know? I wasn't doing shit. You weren't really doing shit. Tacos and now fucking storm chasing. Oh, bro, come on, man. Do you hear my shoulder?
Yeah, stop. Mine does that too, and just
Oh, bro.
just at a different point.
Now I can just like turn it from like going into like my thumb being like at attention, like on the side.
Mine's not that loud, but like. That's not gonna do it now.
Good. You don't want it to do it.
Like
That's a problem,
every time I
bro.
lean in a doorway, it goes.
Oh yeah, you hear? Yeah. Well, mine's if I worked it out, I need to work my shoulders out. I don't work them out enough.
It's deep though. There's.
Yeah, my shit's like it feels like cause it's been dislocated a couple times. So it does like weird shit now. Like if I sleep on it fucked up, I think it comes out a little bit and it's like, meh. Ooh.
Oh, there's the rumbles.
Bro, put my tailgate up, would you? Put it up, please. Just because if it starts to fucking downpour, I don't feel like fucking just dipping in there having to do it. I'm about to do it now. Oh, you feel that breeze?
Start getting loose and limber.
Yeah, right? Yeah, bro, you need to hydrate tonight, bro. You should drink a fuck ton of water tonight. For real.
Yeah.
Because that's like, bro, I be trying to tell people, that's like the number one reason for like a lot of problems. Motherfuckers be dehydrated.
Fatigue.
You pull your fucking muscles and shit a lot easier when they're all fucking tight, you know? And they're not properly hydrated. They're all fucked up.
I always try to get electrolytes in me on the way there.
Yeah, for sure. But like, all right, so like when I was in the Marine Corps, right? The rule was, you drink whatever the fuck amount it was. A 20 ounce or 40 ounce of water before you go to bed. And then when you wake up, you drink another one, but with Gatorade in the morning. Just drink what, like you said, the electrolytes. But then you wake up and you're already pissing clear, and then you fucking pound the electrolytes because you're gonna sweat that shit out,
Yeah, charge up.
Fucking, yeah, exactly.
Yeah. 'Cause, like, I don't know, I feel like I need to, like, drink, like, 2 gallons of water, like, 2 gallons of water, like, 2 gallons of water. 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 2 gallons
You had a good dinner, so you should be good with that. Ooh, hear them? Sound like fucking cannons going off.
It's Russia.
Don't fucking say that. Don't talk. I don't even want to hear it. Not right now, bro. Don't fuck with the vibe in nature. Talking about some nut shit. Ooh,
Shit.
see?
That was Russia too.
Come on with the fucking bullshit. Fuck out of here. Not right now. Dude, this is awesome.
Wouldn't it be cool if we got struck by lightning?
No, that would not be cool, you goof.
But like, and then lived, we'd have those like awesome vein tattoos. And it like highlights your veins. That'd be cool.
No. It's just cool to observe nature the way it is, not be fucked with by it.
You got an umbrella?
No, dude. I've been in, like, when I was in Okinawa, I was outside fucking around, and all of a sudden, like, all the fucking, everything got, like, my hair and shit, like, staticky. I was like, oop, I'm out of here. Yeah, I was like, you ain't charging me up, motherfucker, I'm out. You ever, like, rub, like, it's static electricity, that's what it was, but, like, you ever rub a fucking balloon on your head?
Yeah, you can just feel it.
Yeah, you felt it in the air. I was like, I'm out of here. Fuck out of here.
The electromagnetic field.
Yeah, bro, it's crazy. Whew, that's badass. Damn, we're getting some good ones now. Ooh, that's getting close. Damn. I'm gonna walk over to this side of the truck in case it starts dumping. I jump right in. Thunder booms.
Oh shit.
Oh yeah, bro. There you go. Damn. Dude. That was fucking.
That was like a flashbang.
That was dope. Whoa. Bro, these fucking skeeters. About to light an insect. Yeah, you feel that cold ass breeze?
Oh yeah. You can smell the rain, dude.
dude. I don't believe we got more than 10 minutes left.
There's nothing better than the smell of a thunderstorm.
For sure. You know what I mean?
Dude, the fucking machine that we used to use, the ozone machine we used to
Oh, yeah, it smells like this.
That's what it smelled like. That's what when we were making the water.
Yep.
Oh man, it was awesome.
Wow.
'Cause it was literally like a
It's like-
tube. It was a tube.
It's like atmosphere, right?
It was a tube that the water was running through, and it was like shocking. You know what I mean? It
Yeah.
was shocking the water and making ozone.
Yeah. It's pretty fucking cool if you think about it,
The
though.
gas will kill you though. We used to
Yep.
put all the grapes in after harvest, and then seal the cellar and pump it full, and it would kill everything. All the bugs would be dead.
Yeah. Bro, that's crazy how like it's like a couple days of warm. Wow. And the fucking skeeters are out.
Oh, I know, because we get that tire pal out back, and there's like water in the tire.
Dude, yeah, you got to dump them out. Yeah. You should make the newest member of the shop that their job.
Yeah, nobody fucks with them. They just pay a company, and they show up and load them all in a truck.
Okay, cool. Yeah. Whoa. Yeah, you know what lightning is? You know what thunder is, I mean?
Yeah, it's the cold front's hitting.
Nah, thunder's the sound of lightning. Yep, it sounds crazy, but it's true. Oh! Yeah, it's 14 miles away. Because you see light before you hear sound, right? Light moves way faster than sound waves. So when you see lightning strike like that, oh, bro, you feel that?
Oh, I felt a raindrop on my cheek.
Uh-huh. Oh. Damn, it's getting close to 11 miles now, bro. Oh, man.
Wish we were in a tent.
Fuck. Ooh. close, bro. Getting close. Not 9 miles away. Oh shit. Alright, alright.